This is just a thing for assignment for part 2, the creative work. So I just made the contact.ejs page. Over here, created a form. And we have different classes, one for name and one for email. And on this form group, we have the how many pets do you own, and we have different options to select. And then for location preference, where you can select more than one, we use the multiple class to use it. And then for questions, we created a text area box, and then when we hit submit, and then what I did was I created a view.ejs that will link over to this view when the submit button is pressed on. And then for the buy function over here, when we signed out and how it disappears, I just simply added an if statement here. If the user is valid, then we display this button, otherwise it does not display. So that is my creative work.